Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing TT being toxic for 24 hours to my boyfriend. It didn't end well. Uh-oh. Let's get into it.
I am back with another video, and today, I hope you can hear me. And today, we're just going to be doing a simple vlog because we just got done swimming. And you know, the day's not over yet, so you know, keep on watching. So right now, I think we're at a buffet. I'm pretty sure it's a buffet. It's a buffet, right?
Something like that. It's all you can eat, look like.
So we go see who can eat the most and the fastest. And then we gonna put money on the floor.
Whatever, bro. I'm down. Shit.
So that's what we're gonna do. Look at my lashes.
Well, the swimming was so fun.
So cute together. See, we do a lot of Brooklyn, but I really like TT also. I remember both of them growing up on the channel. So I'm glad she got a boyfriend. He's cute. They look good together. Aww. If y'all want to see more TT, let me know.
You don't even sound like it was fun when you said it.
It wasn't. It was fun enough.
It was decent.
Better than being in the crib all day.
Yep.
Yeah, so. Bro, please stop it.
Got our food. I'm talking extra loud because music is now playing in the background. But we got our food. You know.
Thank you, sis. I love when people are conscious about that background music.
Oh, we got some drinks, and this is his. Usually he get a lot, but he said it reminds him of college and jail. So, you know, this nigga was, cut that out. You know, this man was in jail for like, how many years?
2.
2 years? So yeah, he not really liking this real, not that much. But look at mine, you know, I got some ribs, I got some Hawaiian bread, you know, some fries.
What him being in jail for 2 years got to do with the food? I'm glad he out. I hope things are going better for him. You know, turn his life around, all that stuff. You know, people grow up different kind of ways, or you get in with the wrong crowd, you know. So I'm glad he getting a second chance or whatever. But I don't know what they had to do anything about this food. It ain't prison food, shoot.
Hey, rice, I might not.
I think TT's plate look a little better.
Eat it all, but here I go. So, let me talk to you for a minute. So,
he need to stop singing. She gonna make fun of him about that.
Oh, who was that girl you was talking to? Why was you talking to her for so long?
What girl?
You know what girl you was talking to.
The waitress, bro?
Why was you flirting with her?
Bro, she taking my order. Why is you
looking
on
at
that?
her dead and her...
Don't be on
What
it.
are you doing?
Relax.
Touch me.
Bro, why is you tripping, bro? You know, don't act funny.
If you cheating on me, just say that.
I'm cheating on you because I'm talking to the waitress. Because she's taking my order.
I'm pretty sure you probably...
making a scene, bro.
I'm pretty sure you probably gave her your number. I don't care.
Looking at us, bro.
I don't care about no man.
I'm not about to.
Leave him alone. He nice and tall. Why she just come in on him? It's like she don't even be like, she like a normal day. She gonna pull a prank. She don't tell us in advance. She's put in the title. See? That's the way to do it, TT. Just set it off. Don't set it up no kind of way.
You being petty, bro.
How am I being petty?
This nigga is the waitress. What is you on that for? Nigga, I'm giving her my number. You right there looking at me. Look at her.
I don't know what you did behind my back.
Behind what back? We're sitting side to side.
What if when I turned around and looked at my phone, you probably slipped something in her pocket or something? Right. I don't know what you did.
You believe that with your whole heart?
I really do. You was talking to her for too long. You need to stop that.
Let me go.
All you need to do is say it here, I want this, and leave it alone.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So it's currently the next day. I had a plan to...
I do like her lashes.
record before we went to sleep, but we ended up going to sleep a little early last night, so it's the next day, you know, different hairstyle and all. So today, this is kind of a big day, you know?
I got my first tattoo today.
First tattoo, you know, he gonna feel a little pain, you know, he trying to get with the big boys, you feel me? So, that's what we're going to do. We're waiting for the manager to pull up right now so he can do it. But, you know, I just wanted to vlog, bring y'all with me. Y'all can get his reaction.
I'm gonna be in pain. I ain't gonna be crying or nothing. It ain't gonna be that serious, but it's gonna hurt. I already know. I still can't decide if I want it on my wrist or my bicep. But I'll probably go on my wrist. I just fired it.
I think this is him. It gotta be. You
Now, y'all, if you have a tattoo, let me know. But I thought the one on your wrist hurt more because there's less meat there, you know? So, like, your bicep, you know, you got muscle, hopefully, maybe not. But at least there's more muscle and, you know, fat or whatever, so it don't hurt as bad. Or does it hurt worse where? So, let me know.
Art it? So we just finished this little tattoo.
Shit.
How do you feel?
That was pain.
You just got finished crying.
Dead.
Oh, sweating.
Damn, my arm
Squeeze. Squeeze in my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and shout your workout.
Oh, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Romeo Lacoste, celebrity tattoo artist. You might see me tattooing Justin Bieber, Ariana Grande, Marshmello, Kendrick Lamar. My tattoo shop, the California Dream in Los Angeles. Make sure you guys check it out.
I'm gonna put his little link in the bio, so make sure y'all go check that out. So he just got done with his tattoo. Let me finish. Bro, what are you doing? Why aren't you opening the door for me?
What?
Open the door!
She got a point there, no play. Is that what they usually do? You know, he just forgot because he in pain.
What is wrong with this man? You can't open it like you...
Don't be having no attitude. No play. Yeah, you gotta work on that, sir.
mean it? You gonna let me close it?
Sweetheart.
He's fussing all the way around the car. Now she want him to get out of the car and come back around and close it.
You want to go look at cars or not? It's your time. All right, then.
This is the only time I'm gonna close my own door.
All right, bet. What's wrong with you, man? Why are you acting so funny?
How am I acting funny? You're supposed to be a gentleman and open the door for me.
Oh, pull up that directions, please.
So, oh, my hair looks long on you. Don't answer that. Don't answer that. So we just got back. Now we in the bed. Not gonna come lay next to me?
Bro. Damn.
What you showing my cheeks on? What are you doing? What are you doing?
He's so tired, poor thing. I don't even know his name, boyfriend. Y'all comment below what his name is.
Why is it a girl on your screen? Get off my arm.
Bro,
Get off my arm.
It's Instagram. Bro, it's Instagram. Bro, stop looking like that, dude.
Are you serious? You gonna really disrespect me in my own house?
How was that disrespectful?
Because you was staring at another female.
Bro, that's not even how it was.
Yes, it is. You know it is.
I'm scrolling.
You probably liked her pictures. Do you be texting
I
her?
don't even know who that is, bro. Probably just somebody from TikTok.
And you follow her, because she obviously on your page for a reason. You follow her.
Bro, I follow a lot of random people. I had on Instagram since
you know
the
you.
day, bro.
You don't need a phone.
TT. Oh my gosh.
Bro, did you just throw my phone, bro? Bro, where's my phone at, bro? I swear to God, this shit cracked.
You know what? I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Fuck you mean you watch out, bro? Cause you play too much. You know you play too much. Fuck it, why is you laughing, bro? Now if I go down here and my phone is cracked, I swear to God, show ass.
Whose?
Yours, nigga.
Who?
Uh-oh. Watch out, sir. DDG gonna pop up in this video.
You know what? I'm so sorry. I believe you. It wasn't.
Bro, relax, bro.
He probably stepped on it by now. You didn't see her throw it.
Let it go. Cause you already just pissed me off. You lucky my shit not cracked. What's wrong with you, bro? Why you been acting so weird lately, bro? You been hopping on tips for no reason, bro. Where the fuck is my case? You play too much, bro.
He really mad. Also, good job, sir, for just leaving when you mad. Just get you some air. But of course she coming because she needs to have the footage.
Come on, man. I'm doing a video.
He went all the way outside. He really mad.
Where I'm supposed to be toxic, and I had to do one last thing to make him mad, and I threw his phone at the wall. It didn't break. It didn't break. I kind of knew it wasn't gonna break. I didn't throw it that hard, but.
Gucci, come here.
Where did this man go? Every time I do some type of prank like this, he always walks down the hallway. Like, that's gonna make any type of difference. This was a prank. I was doing it on purpose.
Oh, he really upset. Poor mister.
Nothing I said was real, and I didn't throw your phone that hard for it to break, so I knew it wasn't gonna break. And if it did, I was gonna help you. Oh, no, if it did.
Please don't. You play too much, bro. All this prank shit is cool, but you going overboard. Throwing my shit, that's OD.
I didn't even break it though.
That's not the point, bro. Stop. This prank shit is not for me. I'm not a YouTuber, my nigga. That's what the YouTubers do.
Okay. It was just a prank.
Relax, bro.
It was just give me a hug. You need a minute? Okay. That's the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell. Bye. Say bye. Say bye.
He hate us. Don't hate us. We didn't do nothing to you. Uh-oh. He said he ain't no YouTuber. Leave me out of these pranks. Poor thing. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share it if you can. Click the bell and become part of the No-No Squad.